So today I'm going to unbox the last few dolls. Sorry that part 3 was taking forever. I actually had some thinking of should I open them or not, because they're like so rare, especially these two Brazil exclusives and these Kmart exclusives. I had a lot of questions. Of where I got these dolls. I got them off AliExpress. Yeah. So if all of you are from the UK like me, I recommend going to AliExpress and getting them before it's too late, because these dolls are so rare, guys. Get them while you still can. So, anyways, let's just unbox them already. I think I will start with. I'll start with the blonde. Yeah, sounds good. She comes with a cookie, she comes with a comb, she comes with a cute hair clip, and yeah, those elastics have burst if you look really close. They have burst, so, which is kind of obvious because this doll is not from 2012, but I don't have to fix her hair because it's obviously new. It just, the elastics need fixing up, because just look. Yeah. So I'm just gonna sit her over here. So if anybody has any name suggestions, just put it down in the comments below, and on my YouTube community posts I might reveal the names. So next one I'm going to open up is a brunette one, because I obviously have the whole set, and all these girls that have hair, all the pretty pigtails ones that I have, they are going to have new elastics because their elastics are old and disintegrated. So let's just open her. So this is everything that she comes with, and obviously I had to replace the elastics on these girls too, because look, you can literally see in the back, because it literally cracked. That's how old these dolls are. They're old. Yeah, so yeah, she has this really cute fringe. Oh my god, it's so soft. Yeah, so this is how she looks. So I'm just gonna set her here. Next one that I'm going to open up is final one, like the final pretty pigtail that I needed, and it's the African American one. As you can see, the box on better days, like this one has a crack. This one has a lot of cracks, and as you can see, if you look closer, it looks really scuffy. So yeah, let's just open it already. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the scissors and so this is everything that this girl comes with, and yeah, I had to fix her hair up obviously because the elastics have busted. Like, isn't it obvious that they have busters? Yeah, these tools are old. At least those two over there, obviously that girl's that I unboxed earlier in the video, their hair's fine, but they just sound like it's need to fix it. But for her, yeah, she needs help. At least her hair feels soft, so I don't need to add like extra products. So now I'm just going to set it aside. Again, she comes with the same items. The next one that I'm going to open up is this very, very, very rare presented exclusive Baby Alive type of bed. Yeah. So earlier in the video, you don't want to talk about where I got them from AliExpress. Yeah. So I got them ages ago. I believe ages ago, on Christmas. I said, yeah, so I hope that answers your questions of where I got them. Okay, so let's just get into opening it because so this is everything that she came with, and while I was opening it, guys, I accidentally scraped a part of her there. Yeah, which is kind of sad, but good thing the dress covers it if you look close. Yeah, it's right there. But don't worry, guys, it doesn't lose her value or anything. It's just, yeah, it's just a little tight, a little mini scratch thing. I don't even noticeable. So no need to worry. She's safe, she's good, she's not hurt. Yeah, and her legs are kind of loose. See? Anyway, she comes with a pacifier. She comes with a toothpaste. It's by Million bottle of toothpaste and another toothbrush. Yay! Okay, so I'm just gonna set her aside again. So the final one we're going to open up is this gal. So she is also ridiculously rare. Yeah, it says Escolinia, but it's the original Ready for School Baby. Yeah. This box is also really damaged, look. So let's just unbox her. So this is everything that she comes with, guys. She comes with this school bag thing. I haven't even opened it. There's nothing in there, sadly. It'd be nice if there was, but hey ho. And then we got this really cute want some of these bottles and Legos. And then we have this cute like colouring page. Then a cookie. And also she smells like body odour, which is kind of weird because yeah, they smell like those rubber toy cars that I used to have like 2 schools ago. Yeah, that's what she smells like, and it's disgusting. It smells like body odour. So she's definitely gonna be disinfected too. So let's just put her aside. Well, that completes the Baby Lion multi unboxing. Hope you like and subscribe for more videos, and tell me what you want me to name all these girls. Yeah, and also too bad about the spatula. Yeah, no, I accidentally done with to see this while opening that. So hey ho, it'll be fine. Okay, so see you soon. Bye. Ignore that being back.